Warning, the following video shows what happens when an idiot has a camera. Viewer discretion is advised. J.J. Abrams and Ryan Johnson were not involved in the making of this video. Any anger or dissatisfaction felt is purely coincidental. Today I want to talk about the unsung heroes of the car industry. The guys who do a lot of important work, but don't get the recognition they deserve. And of course I'm talking about car detailers and paint correction specialists. If you're anything like me, when you buy a car you really like, you really want it to stay like new, but of course it won't. Stone chips and idiots who don't know how to wash your car will end up scratching it. You'll end up scratching it. Hell, we've all done it. We've all rubbed it with a cloth that had a little debris in it, and we ended up scratching our car, and then we felt bad about it. Thank heavens there are those guys who have that special way of fixing the minor issues. You know, if you show these issues to your wife or to your girlfriend, they'll say, I can't believe that you actually are upset about something so small. Some people just don't understand. People in general, they just don't understand what it's like to love a car. So once again, thank you detailers. Thank you paint correction specialists. Thank you. And a recommendation from me for those of you who truly love your car: get paint protection film. It's expensive. The good stuff is expensive. And I don't have it on my M140i, I'll be honest. I strongly recommend you get paint protection film. It's worth every cent. No idiots were harmed during the making of this video.